You probably eat rice. Many of us do, right? It is a big part of meals worldwide. But have you ever thought about how different types affect your body? We are talking blood sugar, nutrition, and something serious called arsenic. Making smart choices here can really help your health every day. Let us start with white rice. White rice is super common. They strip off the outer layers, the bran and germ. This makes it cook fast and last longer, but it also takes away fiber, magnesium, and other good stuff. What happens when you eat it? Your blood sugar can spike fast. Eating a lot of white rice often links to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. One good thing though, because those outer layers are gone, white rice usually has less inorganic arsenic than brown rice. Arsenic likes to hang out in the bran. Now, brown rice, people often praise it. It keeps its bran and germ. That means more fiber, more magnesium, more antioxidants. Your digestion slows down. Your blood sugar rises much more gently. Adding whole grains like brown rice to your diet is good for your heart. It can also help prevent other health issues. But here is the problem. Brown rice often has more inorganic arsenic. Again, that bran layer is the culprit. This puts you in a tough spot, does not it? You want the benefits, but not the arsenic. You need to think about where it comes from and how you cook it. What if you want a good balance? Look at white basmati rice. This long grain rice, mostly from India and Pakistan, is interesting. It has a special kind of starch called amylose. This starch slows down digestion. So your blood sugar does not jump as much compared to other white rice types. And here's a big plus. White basmati rice, especially from places like California or India, often has very low arsenic levels. If you eat white rice a lot and want to manage blood sugar and arsenic exposure, white basmati could be a really smart pick for you. Sure, brown basmati exists, but it has the same arsenic worries as other brown rice because of its bran. Let us talk about sushi rice. It is a short grain white rice. You love its sticky texture, right? That is from its high amylopectin. Glycemic wise, it is fast. Your blood sugar will probably spike a lot, maybe even more than regular white rice. Not much nutrition there. But here is an interesting fact. Sushi rice grown in the US and Japan tends to have pretty low arsenic. So, while it is a high sugar carb, the arsenic is not as big a worry. You just need to watch your portions. Pair it with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to help slow that sugar rush. Then there is wild rice. This one is different. It is actually a seed from a watergrass, not true rice. Its nutrition is fantastic. Way more protein and fiber than regular rice, and your blood sugar will stay much steadier. Best part? Wild rice does not soak up arsenic like real rice does. If you are looking for a super healthy grain, like rice, wild rice is an excellent choice for your plate. Arsenic exposure is a real concern. Rice plants are good at sucking up arsenic from the soil. Eating it often, even low levels, can be bad for your health. So how can you cut down the risk? First, rinse your rice really well before cooking. Second, cook it like pasta. Use a lot of water, like 6 to 10 cups for 1 cup of rice, then drain the extra water. This can wash away a lot of the arsenic without losing many nutrients. Also, think about where your rice comes from. Rice from California, India, or Pakistan often has lower arsenic than rice from the southern US. Knowing this helps you make safer choices. Ultimately, no rice is truly good or bad. It is about being informed. What works for you? Try different grains too, like quinoa or millet. Your health depends on the type of rice you pick, how often you eat it, and what you serve with it. Be smart about your choices. It really makes a difference for your well-being. If you have specific health concerns like managing blood sugar, please talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can give you advice tailored just for you. This video is brought to you by Global Men's Wellness, your 24/7 AI health expert. Get on-demand, concierge-level answers in seconds, not weeks, without the cost, the wait, or the awkward conversations associated with traditional medical visits. Take control of your health anytime, anywhere. Visit globalmenswellness.com to start your free trial today.